I must admit, one of my favorite aspects of the mechanical keyboard hobby is creating frankenswitches, taking pieces of one switch and putting them in another. In this case, I have taken an Outemu silent lemon, which kind of feels like squishing a bug. I honestly prefer boba if I'm going silent. And also an Outemu blue click jacket. Combining them together and lubing them up, I created this. A fun and poppy tactile with actuation at both the top and the bottom, and a really crisp snap. Do you guys like making frankenswitches too? Let me know in the comments below.